automatic cleaning.
Hey guys, Scott here. Let's go through everything you need to know about the HONITURE Robot Vacuum. This is the G20 Pro. Okay, now that it's out of the box, what I really like about this is it comes with the quick start guide. And this is really helpful. Exactly what you need to do. You simply take your phone and you scan this QR code, and that's going to bring up the app for either iOS or Android. Once you do that, then you simply snap in these right here, one on each side. And then this can be actually used by voice, by your iPhone app, or by remote control. And then it just goes through a few tips to get started. So once you open up the box, here's your actual robot vacuum. And I'm gonna take these out of here and take this out, as well as your charging station and your remote control. Of course, it also comes with a user manual as well, and then some zip ties for the cord if you need it. And then from here, this just plugs right into the side here. And I also like the fact that on the back right here, you can also put the cord in there, so there's not a lot of excess cord hanging out. And from here, let me show you the underside of this right here. These are the two that you snap in, and they're color coded green and red, so you know exactly where to put each one. And then also there'll be little pieces of foam in here that you'll need to remove, because that's keeps it from bouncing and bumping when it's shipping. And that is pretty much it right there. And then I'll show you here, that's where you're gonna lift this out, and a nice little tool here as well if you need it. And right back here, if you slide this open, that's going to be for the mop function to collect water. So really overall been extremely happy with this. And then once again, here is the remote control and the iPhone app. I'm going to power this on, that way the app will work.
Wi-Fi connection successful.
As you can see right here, I just simply click on G20. And one thing that I really like is it has 5 different settings for cleaning. You can also schedule, you can click more down here, and there's a ton of different options. So it's extremely customizable as far as the different things that you can do with this. And of course, the question on everybody's mind, how well does it work? I think it works great. This vacuum really cleaned up well. I used it in the kitchen and it just did a great job. And I like the fact that I can schedule it. So by the time I get up in the morning, my kitchen is where I use it the most, is already clean, but it'll work on carpet as well as hardwood floors. And overall, been really happy with this.